this point I realized I was being a bit dramatic. Meet Zamira, my beautiful Great Dane puppy. She is absolutely gorgeous and I'm so excited that you guys get to meet her today. She is so friendly and playful. She's very quiet and like chilled, and then she'll get like a bunch of the zoomies where she'll just run around and play. And she's so cute. We put a little unicorn outfit on her when it was cold and she kept trying to like bite off the horn. But yeah, we took it off her and she's just such a adorable little puppy. She loves kissies and cuddles and we cannot be happier to have her in our family. It's been a long wait to get her, so I am so happy she is healthy and settled in. So I hope you guys have enjoyed meeting Zamira. Her name means storm dancer, so yeah, it's a cute little name. So onto the giveaway. I will be giving away a custom-made dream catcher worth $200 to one of my lucky subscribers. All you're gonna have to do is subscribe to me on YouTube and follow me on 2 accounts on Instagram, which I will list over here. Wish you guys the best of luck for entering this competition, and I can't wait to share the next DIY video with you guys, which is coming out literally in a few days, and I can't wait to share it with you because I think you're really gonna like it. Here's a hint, it's got something to do with wolves. So yeah, that's the hint for the next Dreamcatcher video. I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye!